5 problems with your interior design welcome packet. Reason number 1, the presentation of how you put it together has not been carefully thought out. When you do a design for a client's home, you carefully consider various elements such as layout, color, scale, right? Well, the same considerations come into play with the format of your welcome packet. Problem number 2 is that you've either not included enough details, or it's information overload. This resource is meant to be a brief introduction to your company, not a novel or so many pages that it puts people off. Number 3 is that if there's a section about you, what your favorite dinner is, your top holiday destination, or your hobbies, no one cares. Not yet anyway. This leads me to number 4 problem, which is that you are leaving out important information, such as the benefits of your services. Listing your menu of design services is obvious, but excluding relevant and pertinent details that touch on the benefits that you offer is a missed opportunity. And number 5, the final problem, is that you aren't using this powerful marketing tool document to its full potential. Send your welcome packet to a client in a follow-up email. Use it as a tool to lead the initial consultation meeting. Give printed copies to your trades and suppliers. After all, your design services complements their services and product offerings. To get my ultimate interior design welcome packet, head to the link in my bio or go to interiordesignbossacademy.com and you'll find it there. Cheers!